Built in 2018, Platform is one of Grant Park's newest communities right here in the heart of the city. It's located within walking distance to downtown, Cabbagetown, and the King Memorial Transit Station for easy access to endless shopping, dining, and entertainment. I don't know about you guys, but if I could spend every day at the pool, I'd spend it at this resort-style pool. It's a saltwater pool and it's open just about all day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The fitness center at Platform has a variety of equipment, so you can get that same workout that you would get with a gym membership right here at home for free. If you work remotely, this is the perfect space to get your work done. You can reserve conference rooms, grab a cup of coffee, and the best part is, it's open 24/7. One of the many amenities at Platform is this lounge. It has 3 TVs, a pool table, shuffleboard, and an arcade machine. I haven't seen this in a minute. I guess I'm telling my age, y'all. This is the barbecue grill courtyard. We have 2 grills here, communal space, and a fire pit. Check out these cool canopies. This is definitely luxury living. Hey, I'm Irene. Welcome to Platform. Come on in. Platform has literally crossed their T's and dotted all of their I's. I mean, would you just look at this kitchen? Custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. This really cool backsplash comes in 2 finishes. This is the chisel package, which is the darker color, and some of the units actually have a lighter color called the in-town package. I love how nice and quaint this living space is, and you even have a nice view of the city. So this is the master bedroom. You have so much space in here. You have space to put your dresser, king-size bed even, and 2 nightstands. In this master bathroom, you even have the quartz countertops here, nice finishes, and a soaking tub. This closet is a woman's dream. You have more than enough space in here to fit all of your wardrobe. Oh wow, look at the second bathroom. It's just as big as the first one. I mean, a whole family can fit in this shower. This is crazy. Wow. So here we have the second bedroom, and it also has a really nice large walk-in closet. One of the great things about this unit is that they all come with Whirlpool washer and dryers, so you don't have to worry about toting all of your laundry down the hall to the laundromat. That wraps up today's tour. Make sure that you go ahead and click the subscribe button because I will be touring other properties here within the Atlanta metro area as well. All right, see you guys later.